What's going on, traders? So we were alerted to CGC this morning. There was some good news about growing markets, and CGC was up about I want to say 1.5 to 2.5% pre-market, and it was looking pretty nice. You know, the overall trend on CGC, I want to say since May, has just been completely garbage. It's been something that me and my team have been shorting from 50 bucks. Now we're sort of in that $20 handle range, and it's just been beat up. I thought though today that CGC was going to have a nice little maybe intraday pop, maybe even a short-term reversal, maybe even turn into a potential squeeze, who knows. But with all that said, nothing happened. CGC kind of failed right out of the gate and didn't really give me anything to sink my teeth into, so I changed gears and I got with Apple right away, pretty much out of the gate. I just did a full-blown review on this, but this pre-market high was taken out on Apple right out of the gate. There was some great news that came through on Apple, and the market liked it. And so as soon as it hit that first candle high at about 238 and a half and pulled back, I was setting my sights to jump in with some weeklies at the money on the call side, and that's exactly what I did. And then this thing just exploded, and the calls that I bought, the 240 strikes, moved from 199 where I bought them to about 249 where I sold them, which was in and around this little area as price action started to pull back. So I saw about a 25% rip on Apple intraday. Not too bad. From there, I was monitoring that high and checking out this squeeze. Price action actually created this really nice ascending triangle, and you can see right through here at this apex, it squeezed nicely, everything lined up, and then it took that second breakout play over that 240 level, and you know what we did? We hit it again, and that was Apple. So the day was looking pretty good. We were done quick. And then from there, we just started to monitor some of the movement from the call on Schlumberger from last week. So Schlumberger reported, and it was all good, all positive on Schlumberger. If you remember, last week on Friday, we actually hit this thing and did really, really well intraday on the weeklies that were expiring. It was just fantastic timing. You had to be quick on the sell trigger though, because these things did lose a ton of value as they as price action pulled back. Nonetheless, looking at that high, you can see right through there, the price action came up to that high, capitulated a little bit, did set this nice little ascending triangle, and price action got long again, and it's continuing to move to the upside. So we're just going to continue to watch and monitor Schlumberger. Same with Bank, because Bank did the same thing. Reported, pulled back, and now it's starting to move. And so we're also watching Bank of America post earnings. So that's essentially what we had on the docket for today. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewisTrading.com. If you are a member watching this, we will be talking about all of these trades in detail tomorrow night in Ask a Trader. If you have any questions, again, info@jlewisTrading.com.